In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Lucidchart diagram into your Notion page seamlessly and effectively. This process combines the workflow flexibility of Notion with the visual clarity of Lucidchart, all in just a few steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to integrate these powerful tools in a way that enhances your productivity and organization. To start, let's head over to Lucidchart. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and sign into your account. Once you're in, open the Lucidchart document or diagram that you wish to incorporate into your Notion workspace. Take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct diagram, as this is the visual you'll be embedding in Notion. Now that we have our Lucidchart diagram ready, our next step is to set the sharing permissions. In the upper right corner of your Lucidchart screen, you'll find the Share button. Click on it. It's essential to configure these sharing settings properly, so anyone who needs to view the diagram can do so without hiccups. If you prefer or require your diagram to be accessible to a broader audience, look for an option to publish it or create a public share link. Once these permissions are set just right, go ahead and copy that share link. This is the key to integrating Lucidchart with Notion. A quick tip: be mindful that private diagrams might not display correctly in Notion, particularly if the necessary permission settings aren't in place. Ensuring viewers have proper access is crucial for a seamless experience. Next, shift your attention to Notion. Navigate to the specific Notion page where you want this Lucidchart diagram to appear. Having this page ready will make the embedding process straightforward and quick. Now let's get that diagram on your Notion page. In an open section of your page, type /embed. A drop-down menu will appear, offering various options, so click on Embed. This will create a new embed block in the spot you've chosen on your page. Finally, with your embed block ready, it's time to paste the Lucidchart share link you copied earlier. Once pasted, simply hit Embed Link and voila! Your Lucidchart diagram should now appear within your Notion page, fully functional and interactive. To wrap things up, embedding a Lucidchart document into Notion is a straightforward process that brings the best of both platforms together. By following these easy steps, you can enhance your productivity and ensure important visual information is right at your fingertips within Notion. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and happy embedding!